Hi everyone, I'm Anya. This is your Cricket Tips Daily News brought to you today by Win-Win, where we bring you all the biggest stories from the IPL as they happen. The Board of Control for Cricket in India has issued a stern warning ahead of the 2025 Indian Premier League (IPL) season, highlighting concerns over potential match fixing. The BCCI has reminded players and teams of the severe consequences of engaging in such activities, emphasizing that any involvement in match fixing will lead to stringent penalties. This includes lifetime bans for players found guilty of fixing matches. The board has also reiterated its commitment to maintaining the integrity of the sport and has urged all stakeholders to adhere strictly to the established codes of conduct. In addition to these measures, the BCCI has implemented new regulations for the upcoming season. These include restrictions on the number of practice sessions teams can conduct and guidelines on the presence of family members in the dressing rooms. These steps are part of the BCCI's broader strategy to ensure a fair and transparent IPL 2025 season. Jitesh Sharma, the 31-year-old wicketkeeper batter for Royal Challengers Bengaluru, has opened up about his transition from being a top-order batsman to a finisher in T20 cricket. Once known for scoring 50s and centuries, Sharma now often finds himself batting at number 6 or 7, a position that demands quick-fire contributions rather than long innings. Reflecting on this change, he mentioned that since taking on the finisher's role, he hasn't scored a 50, but he values the impact of his rapid cameos, such as his recent 40 off 19 balls against Mumbai Indians. He emphasized that in T20 cricket, a 30-run knock off 20 balls can be as valuable as a half-century, especially when it contributes to the team's success. Sharma also highlighted the mental challenges of his new role, noting that while he doesn't have the luxury of building innings, he thrives on the responsibility of finishing matches. He expressed a preference for the game to come down to him, allowing him to showcase his skills in high-pressure situations. Additionally, his experience as a wicketkeeper has enhanced his understanding of match situations, enabling him to read the game better and make informed decisions at the crease. RCB mentor Dinesh Karthik, himself a seasoned finisher, has praised Sharma's hunger to learn and believes that with continued guidance, Sharma can reach new heights in his finishing abilities. As RCB aims for glory in IPL 2025, Sharma remains a pivotal figure in their quest, delivering crucial performances when the team needs them most. In a remarkable turn of events on April 15, 2025, the Punjab Kings achieved a historic feat by defending the lowest total ever in IPL history, defeating the Kolkata Knight Riders by 16 runs. Batting first at the PCA New International Cricket Stadium, Punjab were bowled out for a modest 111 runs in 15.3 overs, with Prabhsimran Singh top scoring with 30 runs. Despite the low total, Punjab's bowlers delivered an exceptional performance. Yuzvendra Chahal claimed 4 wickets for 28 runs, while Marco Jansen took 3 wickets for 17 runs, dismantling Kolkata's batting lineup. Kolkata, chasing 1-1-2, collapsed to 95 all out in 15.1 overs, losing 8 wickets for just 33 runs during their chase. This defeat marked the first time in 16 years that Kolkata were bowled out for less than 100 runs in an IPL game. Punjab's coach, Ricky Ponting, described the victory as possibly the best win in his IPL coaching career, highlighting the team's exceptional bowling strategy and execution. Captain Shreyas Iyer praised the bowlers for their disciplined performance, acknowledging the challenging conditions and the team's ability to adapt and secure a memorable win. That wraps up today's Cricket Tips Daily News, brought to you by Puntit. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for all your IPL and PSL updates, and check out the latest odds at cricktips.com. I'm Anya, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.